Hi everyone! I recently started playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure and I didn't expect it, but I absolutely love this game. It became the ultimate comfort game for me for this past couple weeks. Hello Kitty Island Adventure is a cozy open world adventure sim, and I find it hilarious the fact that apparently the name for this game is inspired by the South Park joke from 2006 when this game didn't even exist yet.
I don't play World of Warcraft.
Butters, you said you're on your computer all the time.
Yeah, but I'm playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure.
Hello Kitty Island Adventure was first released in July of 2023 for Apple Arcade, and it was recently released on January 30 for Windows and Nintendo Switch. It is announced to be released for PlayStation later this year. If you play on PC, I believe the best experience is to play with the controller, but mouse and keyboard are also supported. The things to be aware of is there is no cross-platform save, and do not time travel on any device, this will break your game. The game starts with you on a plane with Sanrio characters, including Hello Kitty herself, and you get to create your own Sanrio style character from a few animal options available. This game has a highly stylized look, which is super cute. There are quite a few options available to customize your character, and there are more options to unlock later during gameplay, like different color palettes. You can also change your appearance at any time at any mirror. There is even a mirror on a plane if you're not happy with your character and you want to change it right away. After a series of events, you end up on the abandoned theme park island with some of the characters separated and scattered around. You start adventuring to explore the island, find and befriend all characters, collecting resources, crafting, solving puzzles, taking pictures of Easter eggs, unlocking adorable cabins and decorating them. There are also limited time events in-game, bringing unique seasonal furniture and clothing. I actually purchased the deluxe bundle on Steam, and it came with 300 items from past year's events during that time that the game was on Apple Arcade, including furniture and clothing and some resources. This game is so vast, there is a lot of content. I played for 25 hours and I feel like if I played this game for a year, I still would not complete everything. But at the same time, I don't feel rushed and the game is super relaxing and it is perfect game to play for a shorter period of time, every day or a few times per week. I have a few tips and tricks that might be helpful for newer players. Some of them were not that obvious to me when I just started playing. You need to start bringing gifts to all characters you can right away. The game progression is locked with the friendship level that you have with characters. You can start by asking the questions to find out what other characters like. You can give 3 gifts to each character every day. And I am usually gifting them whatever I have a lot of or something that is easy to come by. You can check what characters you already give gifts to in the Friends tab. When characters ask you to bring them something as part of the quest, you need to actually use gift the gifting action instead of talking to them. You can reset the gifts limit with a specific character by giving them a friendship blossom, or reset the gift limit for this day with all the characters at once by using a flower bouquet in your inventory. Exploring the island, you unlock these fast travel mailboxes, and when you have them unlocked, you can travel to them from anywhere at any time, even from underwater. Just access them from your map. My suggestion is to do a run around the island and collect all the available resources. There are limited amount available each day, and it resets every day at 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. When you get this little ghost named Noel, you can ask him to collect one of the resources for you during that day, and you can see how many are available. In the beginning, it is easy to get lost, so you can track your quest in the Quest tab, and the little guiding light will appear and you just follow it. Each quest has a unique icon in quest description, and it will also appear on the map when the quest is active. There can be a lot of back and forth talking to different characters, and the quest icon will move around on the map indicating where to go next in case you'll get lost. I noticed that when I have a track quest on, it does not show me the next action I need to do. It only shows the quest highlighted on top, and I still need to go to quest tab and check the next step, so I just turn off the quest tracking in settings. One of the ongoing tasks is to find and take pictures of Easter eggs hidden across the island. These are actual little egg people called Gudetamas. They all look different, sometimes in various state of undress, and you just need to select your camera and take pictures with them. You can also use these cute emotes to have more fun with it. And after you're done, Gudetamas will poof, disappear, and you can go to the board in resort area to collect rewards with Pachaco. Cooking activity is very cute, just like everything else in this game. I missed it at first, but there is ingredients and recipes tab. You can discover new recipes by trying cooking with different ingredients. Every day there is an extra flour sack to pick up from shelf in Hello Kitty Cafe. You can also cook multiple amounts of each recipe. Cooked items are good for gifts. I try to have a couple of each in my inventory. They are also cute for decorating. It seems to be no inventory limit on any items in game. I suggest checking furniture and clothing stores every day you play to unlock new items. The stock changes daily and you spend various resources to pay for items. I personally am very interested in decorating, so I try to buy multiple furniture items per day. Some furniture makes sense to get in at least in pairs, like chairs and decor items. I tend to always run out of sand dollars that can be found in the resort area on the ground, and there are limited amount available to collect every day. But you can get a bit extra with Bats Maru. He has a dialogue option. Let's release some fish. You can catch some fish here around the resort and use it with this dialogue option, and Bats will give you sand dollars in exchange, but it's limited per day. If you give him fish from different areas, he will give you a different resources that can be found on the ground in those areas. As you progress your friendship with characters, you'll be able to ask them to hang out with you. Each character has their own bonus abilities beneficial to you that you can check in Friends tab. For example, Pum Pum Puring will allow you to jump 25% higher, and Peckle will give you ability to climb 50% faster. These bonuses will help you to complete some of the puzzles you encounter. There are also potions that you can unlock by progressing quest line with Kuromi, and these potions also helpful for some bonuses. As part of your game progression, you will be unlocking different tools that will become part of your tool wheel. I found it easy to circle through them using a left mouse button on my controller, especially for bug catching, when you basically need to have your bug net equipped at all times, because some of the bugs disappear super fast. In addition to changing your appearance at any mirror anytime, you can change your outfit by just going to your inventory and navigating to the clothing section. You don't need to be at the mirror for this. Some of the quest progression depends on certain time of day in the game. You can change the time of day by going to bed and selecting the desired time to wake up. At the crafting bench, you can notice that there are multiple ways to craft some items. It is helpful if you have an excess amount of some resources and not enough of others. I really enjoy the exploration aspect of this game, but another thing I was excited about was decorating. Like I said earlier, I purchased the deluxe bundle, which gives me a lot of furniture pieces from previous in-game limited events. If you're not interested in decorating and you're not in a rush, I would not recommend spending $20 on a deluxe bundle. Each furniture pieces comes in only a single quantity. All of this limited events furniture has a very different styles that often don't look good together. I need multiple amount of each furniture pieces to design a room, and from my understanding, the only way to acquire more is to trade or wait for the event to come back, which defeats the purpose of buying the bundle right now. And as a new player, I don't have any access of things to trade. Decorating in this game has a very strict limitations. You can only decorate inside the cabins that you unlock by spending strawberry crates that you can find around the island. There is only 90 degrees rotation for items, and there is no camera rotation or zoom available, even in decoration mode. The furniture inventory is also hard to use. It takes too long to scroll through inventory. There is no organization or filters. I found it much easier to decorate using mouse versus controller. One of the unique aspects of decorating is that you can't stack any decor items in furniture mode. You actually need to use your character to approach the furniture piece and select item to place, and you can only rotate it back in furniture mode. But the good thing about decorating is in this game is how cute all the items look and how low stakes it feels to decorate. It could be very cozy, short activity to decorate the room and keep coming back to it, switching some elements and getting more items over time. Another reason for decorating is to attract visitors. You can see what each of them likes in the visitors tab. Your designs need to meet each character requirements in order for them to come visit and stay as permanent residents. Another bigger downside of this game for me personally is the camera. Hello Kitty Island Adventure has a fixed position camera like many other cozy farming games have. But here's the thing, it doesn't need to. The only reason to have a fixed camera is for 2D games, when each asset placed at a certain angle to the camera to look believable. When it's a fully modeled 3D environment, the camera can follow a character and rotate in any direction. With a fixed camera, there's always a limitation at how much you can see, and it gets very disorienting when, especially underwater, you need to move in 6 directions. Not only left, right, forward and backward, but also up and down. And with the current camera, when you are getting closer to an obstacle, the camera starts pivoting in a different direction that you can control, and it gets even more disorienting. In my opinion, the player should be able to control the camera in games like this. I believe it will provide much smoother gameplay and be more accessible for people prone to motion sickness. Overall, I enjoy playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure, and I can't wait to progress more and unlock more features. This game feels like such a cozy, fun time and low stakes. It's perfect for relaxing on the couch with your Switch or Steam Deck after a long day. I hope you enjoyed these beginner tips, and if it was helpful, subscribe for more. Bye everyone!